last night, you each heard a gunshot. Came into this room to find your neighbor, William Jones, dead.
My goodness gracious, it was quite the fright.
Now, an audit of your security cameras has shown that no one has left the house since yesterday evening. Therefore, one of you three must be the murderer.
So who was it? Was it me? Obviously.
I'll be honest, I do not know.
Then why are we even, here?
Why, to interview my star witness.
My star witness. Star witness.
Yes, your pet Parrot heard everything that went on in this room yesterday evening.
You can't interview Patricia. She's a bird.
She's a bird. Mr. Jones, I need to tell you something.
She's a bird whose photographic memory of every conversation is triggered by the participant's voice. So, tell us, Patricia, what was Miss Moore's dastardly confession?
I'm really high right now. Woo!
That is not what I expected.
What? She's totally gaslighting us.
Have some water, Lily.
That's Will's voice.
Okay, I'm gonna go lie down and watch the air move. Do-do-do-do-do.
And thus she left, with Will still alive. Ergo, she could not be the murderer.
Well, that was a bunch of hooey. We should probably just stop right now.
Aha! The bird will now recall Mrs. Moore's last conversation.
Ew, this is mom and dad having sex.
No! I have never made your mother moan like that.
I was masturbating.
Fuck me.
While talking to myself.
You're a sexy little tot, Debbie.
You fucked Will?
I am so glad I finally met someone like you. And you. I'm so lucky to have found someone who loves butt stuff.
This little bird is a treasure trove of information.
Oh my! Is that Stan? I better wipe this cum off my face before he sees it.
And with that, she left the room. There you go, Mrs. Moore could not be the murderer either.
I think we're done. The bird.
Yeah, I'm a terrorist, so what?
That doesn't even sound like me.
So she hasn't quite mastered that one yet.
Headed bomb in the Times Square AMC. Despicable. I'm turning you in. Ha! They'll never believe you. The parrot's listening. Oh, fuck! Oh no, not the heart-shaped helium balloons I platonically bought for Deborah. Now I can say whatever I want and they'll never distance me. How dare you! He's out cold.
All right, fine. I'm a terrorist, okay? But I did not shoot Will. He knocked me out. So
Detective, who else could it have been?
Well, I'm afraid we may never learn. But hey, at least we got ourselves one criminal.
ah, what the?
It was drugs one time.
Now, where did Stan put that gun? Patricia? How did you...
cat.